Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Aligarh Muslim University. Name of post is Associate Finance. Qualification asked is BCom with first class. Upper age limit is 60 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Aligarh. Friends, it's a contractual job. No prior experience asked. Per month salary will be 25,000 with 10% annual increment. Mode of application is online as well as offline. You should send your application by 27th May 2024. Friends, before you move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning course for PSU examination, then visit PSU Exam Prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on reasoning for PSU exam preparation. Discount code and website link is mentioned in the description. You can check them in detail. I wish you all the best for your exam. And next vacancy is from Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Name of post is Accounts Officer Class 3 or Accounts Officer. Friends, education qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Here one thing is that you need to have a compulsory Tamil language, then only you are eligible. Upper age limit is not mentioned, so there is no maximum or upper age limit. Number of vacancies are 4. Place of posting will be in Tamil Nadu only. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked for Accounts Officer Class 3, and for Accounts Officer there is a 1 year experience asked. Pay scale, it will be pay level 23 for Accounts Officer Class 3, and for Accounts Officer it will be pay level 22. Mode of application is online and last date is 14th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Here the name of post is Assistant Manager Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA, and again you need to have a adequate knowledge of Tamil, then only eligible. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 20 vacancies. Place of posting will be in Tamil Nadu. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Pay level will be pay level 22. Mode of application is online and last date is 14th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from Tamil Nadu Public Service. Name of post is Deputy Manager Accounts and Assistant Manager Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, MBA Finance, and along with Tamil language, then only eligible. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Tamil Nadu. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience for deputy manager and no experience required for assistant manager. Pay level will be pay level 22. Mode of application is online and last date is 14th June 2024. And next vacancy is from Indian Air Force FCAT 2024. Name of post is Flying Officer Ground Duty Non-Technical Administrative. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is you should be born between 2nd July 1999 to 1st July 2005. Number of vacancies are 54. Place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Your package will be around 14 lakhs. Mode of application is between 30th May 2024 to 28th June 2024. And final notification will be released by Indian Air Force in their website. And next vacancy is again from Indian Air Force. Name of post is Flying Officer Ground Duty Non-Technical for Accounts Department. Qualification asked is graduation in BCom, BBA Finance, BMS Finance, BBS Finance, BSc Finance, or a qualified CA, CMA, CS, CFA with minimum 60% marks. You are eligible. Upper age limit is that you should be born between 2nd July 1999 to 1st July 2005. There are 12 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Rest all detail are same as that of last vacancy, including the pay package. And next vacancy is again from Indian Air Force. Here the name of post is Flying Officer Ground Duty Non-Technical for Education Department. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks and a postgraduate with minimum 50% marks, then only eligible. Age limit and all other criteria is same as that of last vacancy. Here the number of vacancies are 12 and rest all details are same as that of last 2 vacancies for Indian Air Force. And next vacancy is from Dr. B. Bura Cancer Institute. Name of post is Assistant Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is CA intern. Upper age limit is 40 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Guwahati. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 2 years of experience. Per month salary will be 35,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 31st May 2024. And next vacancy is from Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Name of post is Executive or HR Contract. Qualification asked is either a BCom or BSc. Upper age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 6 years of experience. Here per month salary will be 53,690. Mode of application is offline and last date is 21st June 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.